tired of the Gemini CLI refusing to log you in on your Windows 11 machine? Let's fix that right now. The first and most common culprit is your network connection, and Firewall ensure you have a stable internet connection then. Check your Windows Firewall and any third-party antivirus or security software. Temporarily disable them. Restart your Gemini CLI and try logging in again if it works. You'll need to create an exception rule for Gemini CLI in your firewall settings. Next, let's verify the installation. Navigate to where you installed the Gemini CLI. Sometimes, corrupted installation files can lead to login problems. If you suspect this, consider uninstalling the Gemini CLI completely, and then downloading the latest version from the official source and performing a fresh installation. Remember to restart your computer after uninstalling and before installing again. Another crucial step involves your account credentials. Double-check that you are using the correct username and password for your Gemini account if you've recently changed your password. Make sure you're using the updated one. You can also try resetting your Gemini account password through their official website once reset. Ensure you're entering the new password accurately in the CLI. Occasionally, background processes might interfere. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Task. Look for any processes related to Gemini or similar cloud services that might be running and potentially causing conflicts, and any suspicious or non-essential Gemini-related tasks. Then attempt to log into the CLI again. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, it's time to consult the official Gemini CLI documentation or their support forums. There might be specific known issues or advanced troubleshooting steps tailored to your exact problem. With these steps, you should be well on your way to a seamless Gemini CLI experience on Windows 11.